Now, early retirement to many is just a dream, but what if I told you can achieve this in less time than it takes somebody to finish law school? In fact, with just a little bit of dedication, you can retire in just 6 years. In this video, I want to go through the calculations on how an average person in the Western world can retire in just 72 monthly paychecks. Of course, this is going to take a bit of dedication and a little bit of sacrifice, but the numbers do make it very clear. It is indeed possible to get a beachfront retirement in this short space of time. Now, at the end of 2023, the average US salary was little under $60K a year, and it is common practice from pretty much every financial advisor that you should be investing 20% of this amount every single month without fail. Many financial books and experts will say you need to invest this amount every single month before you pay your bills. Now, if we adopt this basic investing rule, we should be investing about $1,000 every single month into our pension. And if we do this for 6 years with a 10% compounded interest rate, we will have about $98,000 at the end of the term, which of course is not enough to retire. But we forgot something. Your employer should be matching some form of your pension. Now, the average pension match in 2023 for an employer in the United States was $4,600 a year. So let's include that into our calculation, because it would be ludicrous not to take advantage of this free money. And given our goal of retiring in just 6 years, we need to take the wins where we can get them. Now, $4,600 of the average US employer contribution divided by 12 months comes out at $383.33. And if we include that into our calculation of $1,000 a month, it means that we are now putting in $1,383.33 into our pension. Now, with the same 10% compounded rate of return, it would leave us with $136,000 US, which is still not enough to retire. But as I said earlier, this is the baseline of what you should be doing anyway if you want to retire when you're old and frail. But we want to retire in 6 years, not when we're 60. We are going to take extreme measures to get extreme results. Now, there's a stat from Bill Shark that last year the average American was spending $1,497 a month on non-essential items. Eating out was $209 a month. Takeout or deliveries, $177 a month. Now, of course, we shouldn't be living like a hermit. We should be enjoying at least some of our paycheck, but we are trying to retire in 6 years. So if we can just take out half of this figure, this drastic measure, and bearing in mind this is non-essential items, we will free up an extra $750 a month, and we can throw that into our calculation. And if we do that, things start to look a lot better. If we add the 20% from our paycheck, the $1,000, and then we add our average employer pension match, and then we add half of the budget from our non-essential items, we come out with a figure of $2,133 invested every single month. Now, if we add this amount into our compound interest calculation, it gives us a final result of $210,391. Now, this still may seem like a small amount of money, but as I'm about to show you later, this amount of money is actually a decent amount to start thinking about retiring on. But first, I want to cover a little bonus, because we freed up $750 a month from our non-essential items, which means you probably freed up something else which is more important than money. That is time, which means you can use this freed up time, which you would have wasted eating out at a restaurant, to go and drive an Uber or do some form of side hustle. Remember, we are doing something extreme for 6 years. Now, if you add this to our current 210 grand and use the basic math that an Uber Eats driver makes about $18 to $20 an hour, then we can start throwing out some real assumptions. Now, let's say that the average side hustle is just going to pay you $15 an hour, and you do 10 hours extra every single week. Now, that's $150 a week or $600 a month into our new calculation. I know side hustles are time consuming, but again, we're trying to retire in just 6 years. So let's not be that person thinking about making excuses that you don't have time. In fact, go down to the comments and type no excuses. Because in the next 6 years, if you live frugally, start a side hustle, and just be smarter with your own personal finances. You, as an average person, could be investing $2,733.33 every single month for the next 6 years. And if you add this side hustle into our calculation of $210,000, then you will now have about $270,000. Now, at this point, 6 years have passed, and you're gonna have to make a decision. And that is whether you want to continue this project for a further few years or hang up your Uber Eats cap and head to the beach. You have well over $200,000 saved for your retirement in 6 years, which will put you in the top 30% of retirement savers. But if you continued the process for just 4 more years, meaning you've done it for 10 years in total, your pot would rocket up to $563,405.62, still only with 10 years of dedication. It pretty much doubles your retirement pot, and this $500,000 plus will put you in the top 9% of retirement savers in the United States. But let's not forget the purpose of this video. You want to retire in just 6 years. You now have an option to make $270,000 in the next 6 years. But you need to figure a way to make this money last and be as efficient as possible. So I have compiled a list of the most appealing locations to retire to get that beachfront lifestyle all on a budget. So check out this video here if you want to see how to max out your retirement and get the best bang for your buck.